Hey folks, Dan here, Frio here, the Mortgage Update, and today is October 8th. So let's see what happened today. If you see the headlines right here, Dow closes down 300. That's a big move. But what the odd thing that's really confusing me right now today is this number right here. And you're going to see in a minute why I'm saying that. So, but let's see what caused this today. So let's go to the market watch, and basically it's like we've said all along. China, the tariffs, the tweets, everything else. You'll see here the Dow fell 300 points because China is in a bad mood. Trade talks. So that's one of those areas that usually when the market drops that much and there's that much uncertainty in these areas, you will see people fleeing the markets and seeking safe havens, such as in bonds. And normally it's mortgage-backed securities as well as just general bonds. So let's go through. Here's another odd thing that happened today. And here's the recap that I have, is the producer price index came in a lot lower than expected. So that's saying that inflation is not heating up. So that's another great signal to the Fed that they can, continue to ease. Chairman Powell, as we said yesterday, he came out and spoke today, said the Fed is going to start buying securities or buying back bonds. But this isn't necessarily referred to as quantitative easing, when they really jump in there and buy mortgage-backed securities, driving down rates. But they're saying that they're going to increase their balance sheet by buying more bonds. So we have all this stuff. Bad world news, the stock market plummeting, the Fed coming out saying they're going to start buying more treasuries and other bonds. Inflation's in check. We should have had a huge day with interest rates. We should have. This should have spiked. And got us into levels where mortgage rates dropped dramatically. But they didn't. So I'm confused. I truly am. I'm not being sarcastic. Right here, these technicals are running just as they would on a normal market. We hit, again, there's floors and there's ceilings. The Fibonacci levels, here's the floor, here's the ceiling. We continue to hit that in the last 3 days and just stop. But again, with all this news out here, I would have thought that this thing would have tested these levels up here, but they didn't. Don't know why, but you're going to see here a lot of the economists that I follow are saying lock. I'm saying no. I could be wrong, but I've been saying no all along, and we've had a few areas in here where they said lock, and we've continued our sideline. Being on the sideline has been paying off for us. So I am saying on my end, cautiously be next to your computer all day during the trading days if you're in the mortgage business, and watch for any signs of this kind of dropping down. If you see that, I can see a dramatic drop down through here. But I honestly, what I'm thinking is we're going to stay stagnant, keep bumping this. I don't think anything's going to happen with China. I don't think inflation figures are going to come out. I see rates easing a little bit more, just kind of stagnating here, unless we see another tweet, a bomb here or there, and then that could throw a curveball to this whole thing. So, again, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Dan Frio. I do the Mortgage Update on a daily basis. I have 2 radio shows in Chicago. One is on WYLL, 1160 AM radio, and I'm on every night from 7:30 to 8 p.m., and then I have a Saturday show on AM 560 WIND Chicago on Saturday mornings from 7 to 8. And I've been in the mortgage business for over 30 years, and I always say I'm your mortgage advisor. These are the things that I do for you. This is what I do different. Other than taking an application, just processing the loan and putting it through, I kind of coach you on the best program to get into. If there's down payment assistance programs, what program is best? How can you get into a property with a little down payment if that's what you're looking for? Search out the best rates for you, fees, everything of that sort. So I'm licensed in a little bit over more than half the country. So if I could be of any help to you, please reach out. You can follow me again on Facebook. Please or YouTube, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit that bell so every time I do post, you can see what I'm doing. I do this every night, or try to do this every night, and just to keep you alert on what's going on in the market. This video will probably hit a couple thousand views in the next day or two. It's used by realtors, mortgage companies, mortgage trainers, mortgage brokers, and loan officers to kind of keep up on a daily basis on what's going on. And I do, I watch the markets on your behalf. So if you'd like to reach out to me, you can give me a call at 844-775-LOAN, or you can even email me at dfrio, which is FRIO, at parksidelending.com. Again, this is saying lock. I'm on the sidelines with this. I'm saying float, and we will see what happens tomorrow. God bless. Take care. If you need any help, please reach out. I'd love to hear from you. And please comment down below. Let me know what you think, how I'm doing on these videos, or if there's something you want me to kind of dig down on to kind of teach you some little other tricks and trades of this business. So take it easy. I'll see you tomorrow.